Yes, hello dear learner. I hope you're keeping safe. Welcome to another lesson of Grade 7 English. And today we are going to look at seeking confirmation. This is lesson 5. And in lesson 4 we introduced this lesson and this topic, seeking confirmation. And we said seeking confirmation is all about the use of the question tag. And we said a question tag is added at the end of a statement to make that statement a question. To make that statement a question. So today we are going to see how question tags can be used in the different tenses and how we can form question tags in the different tenses, and we see how to form them. We said question tags, to form question tags we look at the helping verbs. And lesson 1 and 2 we looked at the forms of a verb and the helping verbs in the different tenses. The helping verbs that are used in the different tenses. So today we'll continue with that. So the first tense we're going to look at is the present simple tense. The present simple tense. The present simple tense. How do we form question tag in the present simple tense? So we'll have a sentence in the present simple tense. An example of a sentence in the present simple tense is I go home. This is a sentence. This is a statement in the present simple tense. I go home. So you may ask, how do you form a question tag in this? And I've said you look at the helping verb. Which helping verb is used here? Because you can just see the main verb, I go home. Now, in the present simple tense, the helping verbs that are used are do or does. Do or does. Do or does. Because you can say this, I do go home. I do go home. I do go home. So this is the helping verb. But we don't usually use this do. This one is used to emphasize when you're emphasizing. But when you say I go home, the do is there, but we don't usually say it. So I do go home. So I go home. We said a positive statement takes a negative question tag, and a negative statement gets or takes a positive question tag. So I go home. Because we are using the form of do here, do, I do go home. So don't I go home, don't I? Okay? Now, I want you to notice something here. When you are adding a question tag, we put a comma after the statement. There's a comma there. Then the first letter of the question tag starts with a small letter. And at the end, we have a question mark. These are things that we got to be very careful about. So I go home, don't I? Another sentence in the present simple tense that uses the form of do, that is does. You can say he. He goes home. He goes home. What is the question tag? So this one, we use does. Because you can use, when you use does, this sentence is going to be, he does go home. Okay, but we don't usually say this. But when you're emphasizing this, you can use that, okay? So he does go home is the same as he goes home. So the question tag for this, he goes home, comma, doesn't he? He goes home, doesn't he? Let us have another sentence in the present simple tense. Okay? Another sentence in the present simple tense. I would like to get one sentence or to use one sentence that most people confuse with the present perfect tense. Okay? The use of has and have to show possession and not as a helping verb. The use of has and have to show possession and not as a helping verb. So when you want to show that someone has something or something belongs to someone, you can say, he or John has a watch. This is the main verb and it shows possession. John has a watch. What is the helping verb here? And we have said, in the present simple tense, we use the forms of do, that is, do and does. Okay? So John has a watch. John does have a watch. John does have a watch. Okay? So the word does is usually there, but you don't usually use it. Okay? So John has a watch. You, at the back of your mind, you should know that it's the same as saying John does have a watch. So the question tag here is going to be John has a watch. Doesn't he? Doesn't he? Doesn't he? Not hasn't he. That one now is a construction that is used in the present perfect tense. John has a watch, doesn't he? John does not have a watch, does he? Okay? Another one, using have. They have 2 houses. They have 2 houses. They have 2 houses. So here you can also say they do have 2 houses. They do have 2 houses. They have 2 houses. We use do, okay? They have 2 houses, don't they? Don't they? I want you to note that when you go to the present perfect, we are going to see that we use now the helping verbs in the same. Okay, but these ones here are main verbs, they show possession. Okay, so present simple tense we use do and does. Let us look at present perfect tense. The present perfect tense. And which are the helping verbs in the present perfect tense? You remember what we said in the first lesson? The helping verbs in the present perfect tense are has and have. Present perfect. And we said helping verbs are used with the main verbs to form the perfect tenses. So the perfect tense in the present perfect. Present perfect tense. An example of a sentence in the present perfect tense. Juma has gone home. Juma has gone home. Juma has gone home. Which is the helping verb here? It is very evident, this one here. It is used with this main verb, and this main verb is in the the past participle form of go. Juma has gone home. So this is a positive statement. Now we have to form, or we have to change this one into a negative question type. So Juma has gone home. Hasn't he? Juma has gone home, hasn't he? Juma has not gone home. Juma has not gone home. This is negative because of the word not, as a negative word. So, Juma has not gone home, has he? Okay, this is present perfect tense. We use also another helping verb used in the present perfect tense is have. Okay, have. You can say John and Jane have written notes. John and Jane have written notes. Okay, this is a helping verb used with this main verb, which is in the past participle form, the past participle form of write. John and Jane have written notes. What is the question tag here? This is positive, so we have to use a negative tag here. So John and Jane have written notes. Haven't they? Haven't they? Do you see the difference between using has and have as helping verbs in the present perfect tense and has and have in the present simple tense to show possession. Do you see how we form that? Maybe let me just go back a bit in the present simple tense and just make one sentence to show that difference. He has a good watch. Now this one is a main verb, it shows possession. He has a good watch, doesn't he? He has a good watch, doesn't he? Juma has gone home, hasn't he? Helping verb in the present perfect tense. This is a main verb in the present simple tense. In the present simple tense. Yeah. So it is important to note how these question types are formed, and so that you don't make mistakes in future. We look at the last tense, the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. The main verb in the present continuous tense is the present participle. The present participle, okay? Present participle, the ing form. So let us have one example, maybe two examples of sentences in the present continuous tense. John is writing notes. The helping verb is. John is writing notes. Isn't he? And is a form of the verb to be. Okay? John is writing notes. Isn't he? Do you have another helping verb in the present continuous tense? Yes, we have am. I am going to school. I am going to school. Now, this one here, am. It is wrong to say amn't. This is wrong English. We don't say amn't. Here we say isn't, but here we don't say amn't. There is a different way of forming the question type. So I am going home, you can say and I. And I. You can also say am I not. This is a formal way of saying it. Am I not? Or and I. This one is informal. While some people say ain't I, but most people feel that this one is non-standard, so avoid it. So aren't I and am I not? These are the correct ways of forming the question type in the present continuous tense, or using am. So that was the second segment of the topic seeking confirmation, and we've seen how to form question types in two different tenses. Thank you so much. God bless you.